Hey girl, let's turn these basic knotless braids into boho knotless braids in a few simple steps. I like to take braiding hair, pretty much the braiding hair that I use for the braids, and spray it down with some oil sheen. The oil sheen helps me to break the pieces apart without them becoming super frizzy and super tangled. So I take a good sized piece, not too big, not too small, and I use flexi rods to create a curl. I simply just wrap it around, making it a little bit loose, not too tight because I don't want it to be super springy. But if you're going to be using rollers, then they're going to be super springy. So decide what size you want in comparison to the size of your braid. Then you're going to add that to as many flexi rods as you can, and then add it to some boiling hot water. Now, I should have used a larger pot so that they can float around, but I didn't have one. So I just used this small pot and I pushed them all down, making sure that they are all submerged in the hot water. I then wait till the water actually cools down to make sure that all the curls have been set, and then I go and remove them from the flexi rod. And as you can see, I have perfectly formed boho curls. Now, because I use the oil sheen, it's going to make it easier to separate these curls, because you're not going to use these large curls. You're going to separate them into small pieces and add them all over your hair. So next is the crochet hook. This is the best tool to use for this. You go ahead and stick the crochet hook through the base of the braid, pull it through, simply wrap it around and pull it. Now, depending on the silkiness and texture of your braiding hair, you may need to add a little bit of nail glue to the base of that to keep that solid. But that's okay. If you need to do that, then that's fine. My hair is a little thick, so it actually holds by just pulling it. So I go and add it to the base of every single braid, and then I also go in and add it to the bottom of some braids just to give it the fullness that I want. The best part about this, you can customize it as much as you want by putting as many curls as you think your hair needs. Now, I'm going to be honest, the braiding hair doesn't last like the regular hair, but you can replace this at any time. That's the best part. And that's pretty much it. Now we all can have boho braids for the summer. Save this video and thank me later.